In this video, I will show you how to create subdomain in Cloudways. So if you want to know how to create a subdomain, first things first, head over to cloudways.com, and then from in there, you should be able to see this. So from in there, click onto this login option. And then once you're done, you just need to head over and then input right here your login credentials in order to enter the Cloudways itself. You can log in through DigitalOcean, LinkedIn, GitHub, as well as Google. Next thing you need to do is just head over to your dashboard, expand the Cloudways Flexible, and then click right here onto the My Applications tab right here. Now just select your application and from in there you should be able to see the domain management. As you can see, we have in here this domain from WordPress. You can head over and then click on it. Now from in there, head over and click on this domain management option. And then from in there, you should be able to see subdomain or add subdomain option as well. So what you can do in here as well. Just head over and then click that and there you should be able to add your subdomain depending on your desired domain name as well. And from in there, just save the changes and update your DNS settings. So that's all there is today. And from in there, we should be able to learn a lot from this video as well.